Hi, I'm Josh, welcome back to PhotoBite, and today we're going to be talking about the brand new Nikon Z6, which is the first full-frame 4K camera to output 10-bit over HDMI. So this camera films in 4K at 30 frames per second and 120 frames per second in 1080p. So we had a chance to go out and film with this camera. I literally had it one night playing around with all the settings, and then we literally went out the next day to go and shoot a little music video in the woods with a local musician. Yeah, starting off, the NLog with this camera, the color accuracy is absolutely fantastic. It's really, really great with skin tones, really, really great detail in the highlights and the blacks. Not a massive amount of difference between the NLog kind of color accuracy and the flat profile accuracy when graded. Pretty similar really across the board, with lots of really detailed kind of nice reds, nice blues, nice greens, nice everything really with this camera with colors. It's Nikon, so it's always going to be great. So the menu systems on this camera, as I was setting up the Nikon with the Atomos system, I was trying to find the automatic viewfinder shut-off screen. It's not in the normal settings, and it took me about 15 minutes to actually find the specific setting for it. It's in the extra sub-menu of the shooting menu. And just setting up this camera just to kind of quickly go was not a quick workaround. I know everyone complains about the Sony system, but everything is there as you just scroll through straight away. With this one, some of the settings are hidden in some of the extra menus, which is not the quickest way of shooting for me. It's not something I particularly like, but there's a lot of automatic ways you can flick this on and off the camera with all the extra buttons you can customize. So my general overview of this camera, my personal opinion, would I use it for shoots? It depends on the shoot, really. For weddings and stuff like that, I'd find the system a little bit unreliable using the Atomos system. If that goes down, NLog is gone. There's no extra profiles in this, like Cine or any NLog profiles just naturally built into the camera. So as a reliable camera, not so much. For those controlled shoots, those shoots where you can repeat over and over again, like music videos or short films, stuff like that, I'll definitely use it as an alternative choice. It's great to have that 10-bit full frame NLog in 4K. Cool. My last word really on this camera, would I buy it right now? If it came out a year ago or so, or 6 months ago, definitely 100%. Unfortunately for me, I'm quite excited for something that's coming around the corner potentially with the brand new Sony. I really want to see what they offer up first, whether it's something where they can offer, you know, 10-bit 4K at 60 frames per second would be absolutely incredible. If anything like that is internal, I just want to see that camera first before I make my choice. But this is definitely something I would love to use as my current day camera, as it is incredibly professional. Well, thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like and subscribe. Cheers. Bye-bye.